Hey everyone, Graham here. Let's talk about something we all love, and maybe spend a little too much on. Starbucks. We've all been there, that midday slump hits, and you're craving a caffeine fix. But have you ever stopped to think about how much that daily latte is actually costing you? I'm not just talking about the $5 you pull out of your wallet, but the thousands you could be missing out on in the long run. It's easy to brush off small expenses. We tell ourselves, it's just a coffee. But trust me, those seemingly insignificant costs can add up faster than you can say venti caramel macchiato. We're going to dive deep into the world of daily expenses and uncover the hidden costs of your Starbucks habit. Get ready to be surprised. You might even find yourself wanting to brew your own coffee tomorrow morning. This isn't about depriving yourself, it's about making smart choices with your money. It's about understanding how small changes can lead to huge financial gains in the long term. So, buckle up, grab your favorite, hopefully reusable coffee cup, and let's get brewing on this eye-opening financial journey. You might just discover a whole new world of savings and investment opportunities. Remember, financial freedom starts with a single step, or in this case, a single sip, or lack thereof. Let's get started. Alright, let's break this down. Say you grab a $5 latte every weekday. That's $25 a week flying out the window, or rather, into your coffee cup. Now multiply that by the month and you're looking at $100. Okay, $100, that's not too bad, you might be thinking. But hold on, we're not done yet. Multiply that $100 by 12 months and bam, you've spent $1,200 in a year on Starbucks. Let that sink in for a second, $1,200, that's a significant chunk of change. You could have used that money for a vacation, a down payment on a car, or even invested it to grow your wealth. And that's just for one $5 latte a day. Imagine if you're getting fancy with your orders or grabbing a pastry on the side. That number skyrockets. It's time to face the financial music, my friends. Those daily expenses, however small they seem, have a sneaky way of draining your bank account over time. This isn't about demonizing Starbucks, it's about understanding the bigger picture. It's about recognizing that those seemingly insignificant daily choices can either make or break your financial future. So the next time you're tempted to hit up the drive-thru, take a moment to consider the long-term cost. Your wallet and your future self will thank you for it. Now let's talk opportunity cost. Every time you buy that latte, you're choosing to forego something else. It's like saying, hey, I'd rather have this coffee than invest in my future. Remember that $1,200 a year? Invested in the stock market with its historical average return of around 7%, that money could grow to over $9,000 in 10 years. Think about that. A simple cup of coffee could be costing you thousands in potential investment gains. It's not just about the money you're spending today, but the wealth you're missing out on building for tomorrow. Imagine being able to retire early, travel the world, or simply have peace of mind knowing you're financially secure. All of that is possible if you start making smarter financial choices today. It's time to shift your perspective. Instead of seeing that latte as a small indulgence, view it as an investment opportunity missed. Every dollar you save is a dollar you can put towards building a brighter financial future. So the next time you're tempted to reach for your wallet at the coffee shop, ask yourself, is this latte worth more than my financial goals? Remember, it's not about deprivation, it's about empowerment. By making conscious choices about your spending, you're taking control of your finances and paving the way for a more secure and fulfilling future. Don't worry, I'm not suggesting you swear off coffee altogether. I'm not a monster. There are plenty of ways to enjoy your daily caffeine fix without breaking the bank. First and foremost, make your own coffee at home. Investing in a decent coffee maker and a reusable travel mug is a game changer. Not only will you save money, but you can also customize your drink exactly how you like it. And hey, if you're missing the social aspect of grabbing coffee, invite a friend to join you for a homemade brew session. Another tip? Look for deals and discounts. Many coffee shops offer loyalty programs or happy hour specials. Take advantage of those and treat yourself occasionally without derailing your budget. Remember, it's all about balance. You can still enjoy the occasional latte out, but making coffee at home most of the time can save you a ton of money in the long run. Plus, you'll become a master barista in the process. Who knows, maybe you'll even start a coffee empire with all the money you're saving. Okay, maybe that's a stretch, but you get the point. The key takeaway here is that small changes can lead to big savings. By making conscious choices about your daily expenses, you're setting yourself up for financial success. Don't just take my word for it. I've seen firsthand how cutting back on small expenses can lead to incredible financial transformations. I've had viewers who were able to pay off thousands of dollars in debt, save for their dream homes, and even retire early, all because they started paying attention to their daily spending habits. One viewer, let's call her Sarah, was a self-proclaimed Starbucks addict. She realized she was spending over $200 a month on lattes. She decided to challenge herself to make coffee at home for a month and invest the money she saved. A year later, she had over $2,500 in her investment account. That's the power of small changes, folks. Another viewer, John, was struggling to save for a down payment on a house. He decided to track his expenses and was shocked to discover he was spending over $100 a month on takeout coffee. He made a commitment to brew his own coffee and pack his lunch most days. Within a year, he had saved enough for his down payment and was finally able to buy his dream home. These stories are a testament to the fact that financial freedom is achievable for anyone willing to put in the effort. It's not about being perfect, it's about making progress. Every small step you take towards a more financially secure future is a step in the right direction. Now let's talk about the bigger picture. Saving money on your daily Starbucks run isn't just about having extra cash in your pocket today, it's about building a solid foundation for your financial future. Remember the power of compound interest? It's like magic, but for your money. When you invest your savings, they have the potential to grow exponentially over time. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound, and the more wealth you can accumulate in the long run. Imagine being able to retire comfortably, travel the world, or simply have the financial freedom to pursue your passions without worrying about money. All of that becomes possible when you start making smart financial choices today. It's not about depriving yourself of the things you enjoy, but rather, making conscious decisions about your spending and prioritizing your long-term financial goals. Remember, financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up to big results over time. So as you sip on your homemade coffee tomorrow morning, take a moment to appreciate the fact that you're not just saving money, you're investing in your future. Let's recap the awesome benefits of cutting back on those daily Starbucks visits. First, you'll save a significant amount of money. We're talking hundreds, even thousands of dollars a year. That's money you can use for things that truly matter to you, like travel, investments, or paying off debt. Second, you'll become a more conscious spender. By paying attention to your daily expenses, you'll develop a better understanding of where your money is going and make more informed financial decisions. Third, you'll be investing in your future. Every dollar you save is a dollar you can put towards your long-term financial goals, whether it's retirement, a down payment on a house, or simply having peace of mind knowing you're financially secure. Fourth, you'll be healthier. Let's face it, those sugary lattes aren't doing your waistline any favors. By making your own coffee at home, you can control the ingredients and sugar content, leading to a healthier lifestyle. Finally, you'll be amazed at the power of small changes. Cutting back on your Starbucks habit might seem like a small step, but it can have a ripple effect on your overall financial well-being. It's a testament to the fact that even the smallest actions can lead to significant results over time. So there you have it, the eye-opening truth about how your daily Starbucks habit could be costing you thousands. But here's the good news. You have the power to change your financial future one cup of coffee at a time. It's time to ditch the daily grind, literally, and start brewing up some serious savings. Remember, this isn't about deprivation, it's about empowerment. It's about making conscious choices with your money and prioritizing your long-term financial goals. So, the next time you're tempted to hit up the drive-thru, take a moment to consider the opportunity cost. Ask yourself, is this latte worth more than my financial dreams? I'm willing to bet the answer is no. You've got this. Now go forth and conquer your finances, one delicious and affordable cup of coffee at a time. As always, thanks for watching, reading. Until next time, stay savvy, my friends. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on managing your finances.